Thank you for joining the 2020 Fall Conference. We look forward to your participation in the conference.
Although the conference will be virtual this year, we are excited to continue hosting vendor booth through the conference's website and Flipgrid.
Stay tuned for a Flipgrid tutorial provided by Julie Erickson, who's with Technology and Innovation in Education, or TIE. She'll be going over instructions on adding your virtual booth to the conference's website.
We understand that it has been difficult to keep up with all the new technology made available during these past few months, so please do not hesitate to contact me if you need any assistance.
Thank you again. We're so excited to have you join us.
Thanks, guys. All right, so we are so excited that you are interested in being a vendor at the conference. So we're going to be using the Flipgrid platform, and you can do this on your computer with a camera, if it has a camera, or you can do this on a mobile device. So if you have a smartphone or an iPad, you can do it there also. So let's go in and do a real quick how to record a response. I'm going to turn off my video so I can actually record a response simultaneously. So while you are in Flipgrid, this is your info. We currently have 0 responses, but we will do a demo response right now. If you click on record a response, it will ask you to join with either Google or Microsoft. And so you can join with either one of those accounts. You are not signed in. It's going to ask if I want to allow Flipgrid to use my microphone and my camera. And yes, I do want to allow that. So I'll say allow. And here we are. It's going to let me record my video. The really nice thing here is I can record myself, but you'll also notice that I have 3 dots at the bottom of the screen next to my record icon. If I click on those 3 dots, I can either upload a video. So if I have a video that I've already recorded, or my company has a video, I can use that. I can also record my screen. And so if I wanted to show my company's screen, I can do that also. I'm going to just click record a video. So if you click on record. Hi everyone, welcome to the conference. We are so excited that you are participating as a vendor. So I can do a really quick video. Once I've made a short recording, I click on the next. Hi everyone, welcome to the conference. We are so excited that you are participating. It allows me to review my video, which is very nice. And then I have up to 2 minutes. And so I can go back and I can add more content if I want, or I can continue on if I'm done. I can also do some really light editing by clicking in the blue box. And I can trim by dragging the blue boxes. So I'm going to say confirm. Hi everyone, welcome to the conference. I'm going to say next. The next thing is a selfie, and I know we all love to take a selfie. So you can also select a frame from your video if you want by clicking on the 3 dots, or you can just take the selfie. You'll notice over on the left-hand or right-hand side of the camera, there is effects. You can upload a photo, you can do a whiteboard, we can put in a frame. So you can do some really fun things with your selfie to help make it more custom. So you can, like if you wanted to also upload your company's logo, you could have that ready and do that. So anything you'd like to upload. So I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to click the camera, say next, and it uploads. At this point, you do have to hit submit. And so if you have a link that you would like to add, feel free to add a link to your company's website, or any information that you have that you'd like to share via link. You may also add in a title or additional information. You can also change your display name. So if you wanted it to say, you know, your company name, you could do that. So you can change your display name also. So display name, link, if you have a link to a website you'd like to share, and then finally the title or any other information that you have. And I'm going to click on submit. And yay! And so when you do the submit, you do get all the bells and whistles, and so there's a little celebration. You can find a direct link to your video if you'd like to share. You may also download the video and the selfie if that's something that you want to be able to use elsewhere. So I'm going to say complete, and we are good. And now you'll see our video is on the website, and you can go in and watch it. Thanks for watching.